everyone, this is Jill Cornelius, creative partner with Kiwi Lane. My creative partner number is 247096, and earlier today I recorded a video showcasing the June 2024 Kiwi Club kit titled Sun, Sea, and Sand. And in that kit and video, it was suggested that you pair that set with 3 other template sets, the Coastal Highway, the Summer, and the Tiny Wacky. And I was thinking, maybe some people would like to see those up close. So I came back on and I decided I'm going to do another video to show you each of those template sets. So the first one I'm going to show you is the Coastal Highway. Here it is. It's a 12-inch border. And this is the first one. This is 1A. Has a little peak there and a swoosh. And this is 1B. 1B. Has the number right down here, Coastal Highway 1B. And you can just flip it and they go together. Put it down here, put that one up there, really cute. The next one is 2A of Coastal Highway, 2A. And then there is 2B, and those go together. So when I'm cutting these out, I'll put this one on the edge of the paper and I'll trace it. And then I'll just put this one here and I'll mark it. And I know that it's going to match. So that's 2B and 2A. And then there is 3A and 3B. This is probably my most favorite one out of this template set because of the waves. But you could also use them for clouds if you wanted to. So 3A and 3B. Now, if you wanted to use it for an 11-inch page, there are markings on the template set for that. Markings start at 7, 8, 8.5, 9, and 11. But of course, the template itself is 12 inches. So that is Coastal Highway. The second template set that is suggested to use with this kit is the Summer template set. Here it is. Sorry. Summer template set, that's all of them on there. Now this is a newer template set, and because it's a newer one, it comes with the numbers on them, if you can see. 1 of 7 says numbers. Now this is number 1 of 7. This is the Sun Lotion bottle. For the SPF 15, you can take a stencil brush and you can just put some ink on there, or you can use a pencil or a pen, marker, whatever. This measures at the widest part 1 inch and is 2.5 inches tall. So that's 1A. Number 2 is the popsicle. As again, you can either trace those or ink, whatever you prefer. If you trace them out of paper and layer it, that's a fun way to add an extra embellishment to it. You could use glitter paper, that'd be fun too. This measures just over 1 inch and is again 2.5 inches. The next one is the beach ball. It measures, we'll say 2 1/8, okay? And because it's a circle, it's 2 1/8 all the way around. 3 of 7 of the Summer. Number 4 is the Flamingo Floaty. I love this template. It's really, really cute. You could put a googly eye on it if you wanted to. Put a yellow beak. Really, really cute. This measures, we'll say 2 1/4 by, let's go down to 2.5. That's number 4. Number 5 of 7 is the surfboard. Now this is fun because you can add different colors in here. Just trace them and cut them out, or you can stencil if you wanted to, or use pen. It's up to you. That's the great thing about these templates. You can you can make them your own to go with the paper that you're using. So that's 5 of 7. Number 6 of 7 is this really, really fun umbrella. Now, as you recall in the earlier video, there is a piece of paper that has the umbrellas on it, as well as a flamingo. Popsicles, it has all of these, which makes it a great set to use with that kit. This measures 3.5 and is 4 inches tall. And the final template in the Summer template set is number 7 of 7. It's a sun. ray of sunshine. It measures, oh, we'll just say 7 inches, and I'm going to say 4 inches from top to bottom, which is here really. So here to here is 4 inches. So that is the summer template set. Now the final template set that they recommend you using with the Sun, Sea, and Sand kit, which is this right here, Sun, Sea, and Sand, is the Wacky. Wacky is an older template set. It's one of the first ones that I purchased years ago. There's the Wacky and there's the Tiny Wacky, and they recommend you use the Tiny Wacky, which is just the smaller version of the Wacky. This is number 1, Wacky 1T, and since it's an older set, since mine is an older set, it only has the 1T on it. I'm not sure if the newer sets have the 1 of 3 on it, so somebody should let me know. But this is just 1T of mine, and it measures 4 inches by 1 3/4. That's Wacky 1T. These are fun just to add for an added embellishment to a page. I use these a lot for boy pages, like adventure, things like that. Wacky 2T measures approximately 3 3/4 by 2 1/8. Now this one you could use as a cloud also, if you don't want to use the cloud from the adventure set, or is it Celebrate? One of those. You could use it cloud, the back of a bug, or just as an extra embellishment for a page. The final template of the template set Wacky is Tiny Wacky, is this one, and it measures 4 3/8 by 2 inches. Okay, and of course this one says 3T on it. So those are the 3 additional sets that Kiwi Lane has suggested you use with this kit, and I just wanted to come show them to you. Thanks for watching this second video of the day, and I hope you have a wonderful night. Bye.